Yes, sir. What's going on?
I can't complain, man. I'm okay. I just can't sleep, bro.
Yo, me too. I can't sleep for shit. Oh my god, my schedule is like I'm up to like
Yeah,
2 p.m. sleep, and then I'm up by 7 p.m. putting
yeah.
up shots in the gym. I had about 6 tequilas already. I don't know what time it is. I
Six
don't know what
kilos.
time it is, what day it is.
Nah, this lockdown thing. I mean, I've been really bored. I went out and bought a PlayStation just last week.
What games are you playing?
I played that war game. Call of I forgot its name. Call of
Oh, Call of Duty.
yeah, Call of Duty. That's the one. You know,
Yes, sir.